हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। और इस डेली डोज सीरीज में एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हम डिस्कस करेंगे रिलेटेड टू द इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स, दैट इज Lagrange इक्वेशन। जनरली फ्रॉम रिसेंट ईयर Lagrange इक्वेशन बिकम वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर ऑल द मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, और जनरली आपको इससे क्वेश्चन देखने को मिलते हैं। तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप वी आर गोइंग टू solve each and every problem. We are going to follow these all the steps so that you will be able to solve each and every problem related to Lagrange equation. First of all, before starting the topic, let's know all the steps of the Lagrange equation. What are the all steps? First important point, we need to define the origin from where we can measure all the important parameter when body is moving or the system of body is moving. Second, define the generalized coordinate system of define all the generalized coordinate of all the systems which are having the mass or inertia. Then get the value of the kinetic and potential energy. After that find the Lagrange equation. ये सब पॉइंट्स को पढ़ के अभी आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा, बट एक प्रॉब्लम लेते हैं और इन सारे पॉइंट्स को वन बाय वन लेट्स यूटिलाइज दीज ऑल द पॉइंट्स, and after that we can write that Lagrange equation L will be equal to that kinetic energy will be written by T, and my dear potential energy can also be written by V. तो Lagrange फंक्शन को हम क्या लिखेंगे? L will be equal to T minus V. तो ये आपका Lagrange फंक्शन हो गया। बट लेट मी टेल यू, इन सारी चीजों को आपको पढ़ के अभी कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा। इसी सिंपल से कॉन्सेप्ट को एक प्रॉब्लम पे अप्लाई करके देखते हैं। दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम। ए पार्टिकल ऑफ मास m oscillate around the fixed point O, then what will be the Lagrange equation for this function? One by one जो सारे points लिखे थे, let's try to write, let's try to discuss each and everything. Sir, first define the origin. So in this case, let's define the origin at this point. That will be somewhere like this, 0, 0, my dear. Okay. After that, define all generalized coordinate of the system. Like from this 0, 0, if I define the coordinate system of this one, then this will be the x coordinate, and my dear this will be the y coordinate. So if I numerically found what is the value of the x coordinate, then x coordinate will be the value of L, this angle is theta, then x coordinate will be equal to L sin theta, and at the same time y coordinate will be L cos theta, but it will be with minus sign because it is in fourth quadrant. Y will be negative and x will be positive. We have defined generalized coordinate. Yes. Second step or second point, differentiate the generalized coordinate system with respect to time to find the velocity. Sir, if I will differentiate this with respect to time, then dx over dt, it can be written like x dot. It will be equal to, my dear, L cos theta into theta dot, or my dear dy over dt, it will be equal to y dot, or it will be equal to minus minus plus L sin theta into d theta. Is it or not? Yes. So in this way you have calculated the value of velocity in x direction, and you have also calculated the value of velocity in y direction. After that, make this velocity as a kinetic energy. So what will be the value of the kinetic energy? So in this case, the kinetic energy function T can be written by, this is the kinetic energy function. Kinetic energy function can be written by 1 by 2 m velocity in x direction plus 1 by 2 velocity in y direction, my dear. Is it or not? Y direction. So in this case, we can easily write 1 by 2 m is okay. What is x dot? It is L cos theta into theta dot square plus of 1 by 2 m is okay minus minus plus L sin theta into theta dot square. Is it or not? After that, if I solve it, then we are getting 1 by 2 m into L square into cos square theta sin square theta 1, that will be theta dot square. So this is the value of T, that is kinetic energy function. After that, what will be the potential energy due to the gravity? So my dear, potential energy function PE, it can be given by b, and this will be written by mg into y. So it will be equal to mg, and y is minus of L cos theta, is it or not? Minus of L cos theta, or from here we can write this will be equal to minus mg L cos theta. If I'll write the Lagrange equation, what will be the value of Lagrange? That is t minus of v, or t is somewhere like this 1 by 2 ml square into theta dot square and minus minus plus mgl cos theta. This is the Lagrange equation of the given problem. This is the Lagrange equation of the given problem. If we check the option, my dear, 1 by 2 ml square theta plus mgl cos theta will be the answer. So what is the basic point we are getting from here? If we are able to find the coordinate of the system from the origin, from where the motion is started, you will be able to solve each and every problem related to Lagrange. Means main important जो function है, that is to decide the origin plus to decide the coordinate of the system having some mass or inertia, my dear. I think आपको step by step procedure clear हो गया होगा. After that, problem by problem, your coordinate or numerical value of the coordinate may change. So thank you all.